Hi everyone, welcome to episode 5 of the Pro Series, presented by Metropolitan Floors. You hear that? Exactly, nothing, because this floor has been given an assist with Glue Assist. Over time, floors that are only Mike, do you mind? Over time, floors that are only nailed down can start to become a little noisy. But today, we'll show you how a little glue can go a long way in preventing this. First, check the installation instructions to see if Glue Assist is recommended or required anytime you're performing a nail-down installation. If you choose to use the Glue Assist method, use only elastomeric adhesives. General construction adhesives can cause crunching or popping noises. As always, make sure your subfloor is clean and dry. If you're gluing to a wood subfloor, ensure moisture is at 12% or less. Apply the adhesive in this serpentine pattern directly to the back of the boards you're installing. Never apply adhesive directly to the subfloor. For end joints, ensure you're using tongue and groove adhesive for best results. We recommend you use Glue Assist for most of our products. Your clients will Mike? Your clients will definitely thank you. And I'll thank you for watching. Until next time, happy installing.